Weekends are overrated. What do you need time to recharge for when you're working on your business? I got some flack the other day for tweeting something like that out. What did I say? I said, if you want to start your side business and you need an extra 40 hours to work on it, work Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are 48 hours. You can sleep 8 hours and just be tired on Monday. And people don't want to hear that, bro. People want to know that their weekends are for going to the Home Depot and shopping for plumbing supplies, or their weekends are for watching Netflix for 12 hours a day. That's what people want the weekends to be. But if you are not where you want to be in life, maybe you don't deserve a weekend. I don't know. What I've been doing is the 3 days on, 1 day off method, which is you work really hard for 3 days. Then you take 1 day off. Then you work hard again for 3 days. And then you take 1 day off, work in that rest day if you want, but I would prefer not to. What that allows you to do is basically always be grinding towards your goals. Because even on the 1 day off, if it's, for instance, on a Tuesday, people are going to be pinging you about business stuff and you're going to have to respond. Otherwise, you feel like a lazy person. You feel like they're going to steal the business for you. That's how it was last time I took a 1 day off on Tuesday. Everyone was like, yo, is Alex sick or something? He's usually so heavily involved in the Slack. Where is he at? And then I had to get in the Slack. So even on my 1 day off, I'm working. That's the trick of the 3 days on, 1 day off, is now you can constantly be moving yourself forward. Now, this advice is not applicable to you if you're very wealthy, or if you've hit your financial goals, or if you have every single thing you want in life. But if you're trying to grind and you're trying to make 5 years of progress in 1 year, then I highly recommend not doing weekends. And even, okay, here's this. Even 2 hours a day on Saturday and 2 hours a day on Sunday, working towards your goals will get you where you want to go. It's not like you have to wake up at 6 a.m. and start hanging out with your family going to Disney World on Saturday. Most likely you're sitting at home watching Netflix anyway. So instead, at 6 a.m. on Saturday, when you don't have to work, go to the coffee shop and work on your side business for legitimately 2 hours. Then it's 8 a.m. and you can go about your Saturday. Nobody's expecting you to be up at 6 a.m. unless you're going on like an international trip and you got to be up at 6 a.m. Most people in your house are going to be asleep. Most people in your life are going to be asleep. So you have no excuse for working from 6 to 8 a.m. on a Saturday. The only excuse, I guess, would be is if you're hungover and you wake up really late. But guess what? If you're the type of guy that's drinking, type of girl that's drinking with their friends on Friday night, then they're not going to want to hang out with you because they're hungover too. So your 6 to 8 a.m. could just be like 11 to 1. You know, it's not like your friend's going to want to hang out at 12:30 the night after you guys were raging. So find the time. Don't buy into this mindset of, I need full disconnection on weekends. I need to not engage with any business-related tasks. Maybe that's true for your day job. Don't go in your corporate Slack for your 9 to 5. But if you are trying to start a business, if you're trying to learn a new hobby or skill, let's say you want to start writing movies like we did or anything like that, then the 2 hours, or really even the 8 to 16 hours of each day of the weekend is priceless time for you to achieve your goals. Because maybe you're not like me. Maybe you don't have all of this energy in the morning. I started my business from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. on Monday through Friday by getting into my office at 6:45 a.m. and then working until the office doors opened at 9 and people came in. Then I would just do my day job, 9 to 5, 9 to 6. And then typically I would continue working on my business the rest of the time because I was obsessed. But some people have pushback to that. Maybe they want to sleep in or something. I don't know actually what the pushback would be. The only real pushback is, I have kids, I can't do that. That's what everyone with kids always says. I have kids, I can't do that. And to that, I mean, maybe watch a different YouTube channel, I guess. I'm not the one to give advice to people with kids. All I know is when I built my business, I worked from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. on it every day. I worked on it on weekends. I found out that Sunday mornings were the best time to cold email people to book interviews. So I'd get interviews with like these huge name authors and stuff like that because nobody else was emailing on Sunday. So stop taking your weekends for granted. Meaning, stop wasting time. Saturday is not for the boys. Saturday is for the business. and I want you to go and get to work. So what are the next steps from this video? Well, if you're having a hard time working on your business, growing your agency, growing your SaaS, whatever it is, I want you to set a to-do list for Saturday. What are you going to do first thing in the morning on Saturday? I wouldn't even really set a time because I don't want to be like, set your alarm clock for 6:30 a.m. on Saturday, then go to Starbucks and do this. But if that's the way you operate, then that is what you have to do. I had an alarm clock. I know when I did this for 6:30 a.m., so I would wake up on time. So let me rewind that. Here's your homework for this weekend. Set your alarm clock for 6:30 a.m. on Saturday. I don't care if you're too tired. I don't care about anything. Put your shoes on, grab your backpack, go to Starbucks, and work on one big task. So it's early in the week. It's Monday. So plan out what you're going to do this Saturday. You don't even have to do Saturday and Sunday. You could just do Saturday. One big task towards your goals. Is it sending 200 cold emails or at least queuing them to go out? Is it building a landing page? Is it spitting up a Facebook ads campaign? Whatever you have been putting off when it comes to starting or growing your business, put it on your calendar, set your alarm for 6:30 a.m. You can spend a half hour getting to Starbucks and then work from 7 to 9 a.m. on that thing. And it is still early in the week, so let me know down in the comments, what are you working on this Saturday, and I'll hold you accountable. I'll ask you how it went. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.